You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.